Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we have completed level 1 up to 27 problems. Now in that concept, I am going to discuss level 2 problems also. Students, read the first question. Here, matrix A given. The values of A and B such that A square plus A into capital A plus B into capital I is equal to 0. So here already we know that A matrix. What is A matrix? 3, 2, 1, 1. And I means what? Identity matrix. 2 by 2 identity matrix. That is 1, 0, 0, 1. Next, I am going to find A square. A square means what? A into A or not? Now that is 3, 2, 1, 1. Next, 3, 2, 1, 1. Do the multiplication of two matrices. First row, first column. 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2. 9 plus 2. Next, 3 twos are 6, 2 ones are 2. Next, 3 plus 1. Next, 2 plus 1. Students, calculate this. What is the A square matrix? 11, 8, 4, 3. This is A square matrix. But see the question what they are given. A square plus small a into capital A plus small b into capital I is equal to 0. What is A square matrix? 11, 8, 4, 3. This is A square matrix plus small a into capital A. Small a into capital A. Multiply both the matrices. So multiply A each and every element in matrix A. So here we get 3A plus, 3A, 2A, A, A. Next, uh, BI, B into I. Then how to write, students? Tell me. BI, B, 0, 0, B. That is equal to 0 given. 0 means that is null matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, that is null matrix. Now add the corresponding elements. So we get 11 plus 3A plus B. Next, 8 plus 2A plus 0. No need to write. 4 plus A. Next, 3 plus A plus B is equal to, what is null matrix here? 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now equating the corresponding elements. A plus 2A is equal to 0. 4 plus A is equal to 0. Any one you can take. After that, 3A plus B is equal to 0. Like that. Okay. So now I am going to equate these two and these two. 4 plus A, that is equal to 0. Then what is the A value? Minus 4. See the options. Where is the minus 4? In third option, A value. First A, next B. So we got answer or not? But we need to find B also. 3 plus A plus B, that is equal to 0. 3 minus 4 plus B is equal to 0. Then what is B value? 1. This is. So A value -4, B value 1. Which option correct, students? Third option. In problem. A matrix given 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Find A cube minus 35A. A matrix already we know that. Now I am going to find A square. A square means what? A into A only. 2 into 2 in 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. This is one A matrix. Next, one more A. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Do the multiplication of two matrices. Then what we get? 2 into 2, 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4, 4, 4. How many? 12. That means each element we get 12 only. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay. So here observe that each and every element take common 6. 6 common. Remaining what is there, students? 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay. This is A square value. A square value. Now I am going to find A cube. A cube means what? A square into A or A into A square. Anyone, no problem. Now, what is A square? 6 into 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Next, again A matrix. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. This is. Multiply these two matrices. Already we are done here. How much we are getting? 6 into 6. 6 into 6. Or otherwise, we can follow another method. That is, this is 6a. 6a. So I'm going to follow the another method. This is a lengthy process. Leave it. Lengthy process. A square means what? 6a into a. Again, we are getting 6a square. A square value again, write the 6a. Finally, a cube value is equal to 36a. 36a. Now, we need to find a cube minus 35a. What is a cube value? 36a minus 35a. Subtract that. What is the answer now? A. So a cube minus 35a value a. Which option correct? First option. So here A matrix given. We need to find A power 100. So directly we can't get A power 100. So that's why first find A square. A square. A square means what? A into A or not? A means 0, 0, x. 0, x, 0. X, 0, 0. This is A square. This is A matrix. Next, one more A matrix. Right, same like that. 0, 0, x, 0, x, 0, x, 0, 0. Okay. Now, find the multiplication of two matrices. Then what we get? See, tell me. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, x into x, x square. So you'll get x square 0, 0, 0 x square 0, 0, 0 x square. After multiplication, you will get like this. If you have any doubt, multiply both the matrix, then you will identify. Take x square common, remaining matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Yes or no? This is identity matrix x square into I. This is only a square, but we need a power 100. A power 100, when it is possible, students, that is a square whole power 50. Now this is x square I whole power 50. X square whole power 50, that is x power 100. I power 50, that is I only. I means you know very well, that is identity matrix. What is that? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now multiply with x power 100. Finally, we get answer like this. We get answer like this. What is that? X power 100 0 0 0 x power 100 0 0 0 x power 100. Finally, this is the answer of a power 100. Students, which option correct? Tell me. Second option correct. A matrix given 0 0 1 1. We need to find a plus a square plus a cube plus and so on a power n value. A means we know that already. Now first find a square. A square. A square means first a into a 0 0 1 1. Next 0 0 1. Multiply these two. 0, first row 0, second row also 0. Next 1, this is also 1. A square value, we are getting a only. A square value, we are getting a only. Then what about a cube? A cube means we can write a into a square. But a square value, already we know that. That is also a only. A into a, how much? Again a square. Again, what is a square value? Yeah, a. Finally, see here, a square value, we got a. A cube value also a only. Similarly, we get a power 4 also a power 5 also a, and so on. A power n also, we get a only. Students, what we need to find here? A plus, a square plus, a cube plus, and so on. A power n. What is a value is a square value also a cube also a, and so on. A power n also a only. How many a's are there here? N times. N times repeated a. Sum of n a's. Sum of a's. How much? N a. A plus a means 2a. A plus a means 3. 3 times repeated 3a. 4 times repeated 4a. If n times repeated, we get answer Na. Which option correct? Second option correct. The number of 2 by 2 matrices that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 when repetitions are allowed. 2 by 2 matrix. Here 2 by 2 matrix given. That matrix I am going to expect A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay. In place of A11 can fill either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. In place of A11, you can fill either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. How many chances are there? Number of chances. There are 4 chances. Similarly, in second element A12 also we can fill 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So how many number of chances? Number of chances, that is equal to 4 only. Similarly, A21 comma A22 are also having how many chances? Number of chances is 4 or not? 4 or not? For suppose I will explain one example. 1, 1, 1. This is one matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another matrix. 1, 1, 4, 4. This is another matrix. Repetition is allowed. Okay. These type of matrices, how many are possible means I am going to different manner. Each place, how many chances are there? Okay. Each place there are 4 chances. Okay. Now total number of matrices. Number of 2 by 2 matrices. 2 by 2 matrix. Each place having the 4 chances. 4 chance into 4 into 4 into 4. How much, students? 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16s are 256. This is the answer. 256 when repetition is allowed. When repetition is not allowed, at that time, first element having 4 chances, second element having 3 chances, third element having 2 chances, fourth element having only 1 chance, like that. Because the repetition is not allowed. Once we are used that number, again remaining places we can't use. Okay. Repetition allowed means 256. Repetition is not allowed means there are first place 4, second place 3, third place 2, fourth place 1. This is 24. When repetition not allowed. Not allowed. Remember it. Both the cases. Okay. Right. I think all of you understood now. So repetition is allowed means we get answer 256. Repetition not allowed means we get only 24. 24.